One of the biggest challenges people have is their product. They don't know what product to sell on Amazon, and they kind of think that it's, they're looking for this perfect product, right? Let me tell you guys, the perfect product doesn't exist. I do about 20 different products. I do a mixture of Amazon, drop shipping, we do wholesaling, we do a whole bunch of other stuff, and there are literally so many products out there, but there's no such thing as the perfect product. The product either makes money or doesn't make money, and the products obviously I jump on, they actually are making money, and they're the products that they're lightweight, they're not really big, oversized products. They're products that are very small but very profitable, so the profit margins on the products are actually kind of cool. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to head up. We've got a meeting with some of our team members, and we're in beautiful Broad Beach. Look at this, you guys, beautiful. I love this area. We're doing our sales meeting up there. So we're actually going to meet up with the team members. These guys work with me, and they also attend some of our workshops as well, and they help us out with getting started. So I'm just going to sit down with them and just basically go through the motions of helping more people, essentially. And we've got a training on next week. So next Sunday, we've got a 2-day workshop happening. So we're just going to sit down and go through what we're going to be covering at the workshop. It's important when you are interested about actually seriously starting a business. Learning online is one thing, and I learn okay online, but I actually do like to sit down with somebody, and I like to just learn from somebody who's in front of me, right? So that's why for this month, we don't do it often, we actually give away tickets to our training for free. It's inclusive, if you're doing a bit of a promotion, right? But I don't normally do that, but I know how important it is to be in the room and to be looking at your trainer and to listen to other people actually doing Amazon, right, and actually selling. But it's important to actually be in the room with your laptop and finding products. Now, let me tell you, on the first day, people are going to find their product. There's no doubt about it. They will find their product, right? We've had, in the last workshops, previous workshops, we've had people find 5 to 10 different products in the first hour. They can knock out products. These products are simple, they're lightweight, they're also making money as well, these products. So they're the types of products that we jump on, right? But we actually find products in the room. We find suppliers in the room, and we're here, we've arrived, all right? We actually list products on Amazon in the room as well. So let's go meet the team. This is the A team. This is such a nice lobby, this place. All right. So if you're looking to start something on Amazon, you've got to be at the training. You really have to be sitting down with somebody and attending live, because that's really the best way to learn. Some people do these courses online, they buy them from America. They never get to see the trainer, they never get to speak to someone. If they've got a question, no one's there to answer their questions. My workshops, we don't hold 4,000 people events. Our workshops are very small, they're lightweight. Actually, we'll get the next one. Our workshops are very small. There's about 70 people there usually. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a bit less, but I'm there training everyone personally on finding great products. Here we go. All right, so we're going to see the team now. Oh, 4? Hold on. Over here. Okay. Peter. Hey. It's one of my business partners.
Hi. Guess what?
Yes.
A new champion.
New champion. This is one of our team members. This is Elizabeth.
Hi.
After you.